I think you're going to want to be there. It's going to be a full immersion into stamp carving and printing with your stamps. September 12th through the 15th. It's going to be 4 days of in-depth stamp carving. It's going to be hosted by the Smiley Manse in Springfield, Vermont, and it's Jennifer Nelson's art retreat. And it's just a really quintessential Vermont getaway. I used to live in Vermont, and believe me, September is gorgeous. We're going to be exploring all the different ways that I use my stamps, particularly in mixed media and printmaking and art journals and bookmaking and many things. We're going to learn about inks, we're going to learn about papers, we're going to learn about other mediums and definitely watercolor and all the different things that you can do with your stamps. And I think you're going to be amazed at what you're going to be able to produce and all the different things that you're going to be able to make with your beautiful stamps. You don't want to miss it, and I don't want you to miss it. And we're going to have a blast. So be sure to sign up.